Wondering why you should use a travel advisor when you can just go on a cruise line website and book on your own? Keep watching for 5 ways a travel advisor can help uplevel your cruise experience. And hit the bell for more great family travel recommendations and cruise tips.
Showcase suggestions, where I share travel tips and lists of 5 to help make traveling with kids a little easier.
Hi, my name's Christina, and I'm the owner of Showcase theWorld Travel, a modern travel agency dedicated to helping overwhelmed moms take a break from the busy. One of my favorite ways for families to travel is cruising because kids have such a wonderful time. Parents can get the relaxation they need, and you can come together to have the most incredible memory-making experiences with the whole family. I love to help families, especially first-time cruisers, make the most of their trip. One of the main things that a travel advisor like myself would do for you is help you choose the best cruise for you. Cruising gets a bad rap. Retirees in white sneakers playing shuffleboard or big party crowd. But there's so many engaging and exciting activities and itineraries for kids, but it's relaxing and enjoyable for you. So it's really important to make sure you're picking the right cruise line and the right itinerary so that you have something for everybody. Your kids aren't going to be bored, you're not going to be bored, and everyone's going to have a really great time. The next thing that a travel advisor will do is help you choose the best stateroom, because this could really make or break your cruise. What category, where? If you end up under the pool deck and there's sliding chairs waking your teens up in the morning, that's not going to be a great time. If you're above the nightclub and you have little ones sleeping, that's not going to be a great time. Difficult to be far away from the elevator if you have someone with mobility issues. So it's super important to have someone kind of guide you through where the best area on the ship for you is going to be, because there's no one best area. There's the best area for you. That's why I developed a guide to choosing the best stateroom for your family for Disney Cruise Line. But nothing beats the personalized recommendations by an expert. The other thing that a travel advisor can help with is added amenities. There's select cruise lines that I, as a virtuoso travel agent, as an independent member of the Gifted Travel Network, I'm able to utilize those memberships in consortia to get complimentary upgrades, package add-ons, and more. This is only for some cruise lines. Disney Cruise Line is not included in that. They don't have this kind of add-on value that some of the other cruise lines offer. So make sure that you're choosing a travel advisor who has those memberships, who can help you with some of those extra amenities. Another really important part is personalized advice on shore excursions, dining, and so much more. You can read everything on the internet, all the recommendations and tips, but it doesn't matter if it was written by someone with different interests and tastes than you. And it just doesn't matter. It's so important to build a personal relationship with your travel advisor, and then they can give you personalized advice. It's going to save you hours from reading advice that doesn't matter to you because it's not written by someone who has your interests or tastes. And as a travel advisor, we are experts in pairing people with the right experience. We'll ask the right questions to be able to give you the best experience possible. And the last thing is you have an advocate to help you negotiate changes, understand change and cancellation policies. There's a lot going on in the cruise line right now, and you don't want to handle it on your own. Things are changing every single day, so I wouldn't say don't cruise because you want to make those memories while your children are still young, but you want to have someone who kind of will help you navigate all of those changes, someone who will sit on hold when you have to make changes with the cruise line, and spend those hours on the phone making those changes for you so that you can enjoy your family time before your trip. I would love to know if you have any questions about booking with a travel advisor. The comment section is all yours. Make sure you subscribe for more cruising tips. Download that free guide that I mentioned, the guide to choosing the best Disney stateroom, Disney Cruise Line stateroom. And don't forget to take a break from the busy and let me plan a hassle-free vacation that the whole family will love.
Need help planning your next family vacation? Visit us at showcasetheworld.com to request a quote or schedule a free vacation consultation. Want more great travel tips? You'll find those there too.